Hi everybody. Girls, say hi. Hi. We have clear glasses with water. And then we put shaving cream on the top. The shaving cream is representing a cloud. Where are clouds?
Right here.
Yeah, in the sky? For real? All right. If a cloud gets so heavy and so full with water droplets, what happens? What happens to clouds if they get lots and lots of water in them? This is going to represent droplets. Exactly, it rains. So we're going to put some colorful, look what's happening. I will do green next. Watch down here.
It's raining.
What is it doing? It's raining. Wouldn't that be cool if it rained colorful droplets? Oh my goodness. So this food coloring represents the rain droplets that are getting so heavy in the clouds.
Wow. Oh, it's green. I
know. You gotta keep watching. Look, it's starting. You have to be patient because the cloud isn't quite.
It's on it.
I know. Let's let it get through. You have to be patient. Can you make it rain if you wanted to? No, you can't. You can sing a song about it. What's the song we sing?
Rain, go away, come again another day. Autumn, dining, once you come outside.
That's the last
I didn't know
verse.
that one. I think you guys made that one up. All right, come on, color. Come on, colorful rain. I see the yellow. How come the yellow's working so much better than
And the
everything else?
blue's not.
Look. Gotta move it around a little bit.
Yeah. Why is the blue not working?
Well, we gotta keep watching.
No.
Okay.
All right. What are we doing now to help this?
We're putting some water droplets on top to make our clouds heavier.
Try to just drip it on there, Violet.
Really pretty clouds, aren't they? Might help us along a little. Let's make that cloud really heavy. That's some really good shaving cream. It helps when you buy it from a cheaper store, huh? I see some green.
You coming down with violets? I'm done.
You're done.
Oh, look at yours,
Oh.
Wiley.
Look at, now there's some coming through. We want some red, huh? Oh, there goes some. Good.
Red.
What's going to happen when the colors mix together?
It's good.
Oh, I see some red coming through now. I don't see any blue, huh? Should we try blue? Oh, we need this for the next experiment, actually. Were those cool clouds? You guys did a good job. Watch what we're going to do now. Put your toothpicks down and put the water down. You're going to do something new. This is a way that kids can use shaving cream to help them with their letters. All right, watch this. This is for Violet. I'm not sure this is going to work great. This is for Autumn.
Weird.
So scoot over in front of it. We're going to flatten it out. And this is, you can practice letters or numbers with shaving cream. Watch out. All right, so
Violet.
use your finger to trace the first letter of your name. Good. Yeah, wipe it on here. And then, did you do a V for Violet?
Yeah.
And so let's make it smoother so you can see. This is even more fun if you have pudding or whipped cream. Shaving cream you can't eat. That you could. All right, try an uppercase A. And you try an uppercase V. You don't need to use water. It'll just break it down. Look, I'm going to do one for my name. Push really hard. Good, all the way down. But do uppercase. Can you do a big A? Yep. Go from the top down. And then a line across. What is that? What's your name? Did you change your name? You can practice all of your ABCs, couldn't you? All right, watch. Do B. Do a letter B for Ben. Or butterfly. You guys don't like that? I thought you would love to be messy.
Is that a backwards B?
Yeah, a big backwards B. That's all right.
Great.
And look, you can go like this and make it into a butterfly. You got some on me too. So it's a little messy, but it's a fun way to practice letters, numbers. All right, guys, look up.
Bye.
Bye.